And today I'll give you a tip on how to make your iPad screen brightness become extremely dim so that you can play with your iPad during the nighttime comfortably. So first of all, you'll go to the setting and you'll go to the accessibility tab, and next you'll go to zoom. And this is the default zoom settings, so what you have to adjust are you'll turn off follow focus, and zoom region you'll change it to full screen zoom, and for zoom filter you'll change to low light, and I'll adjust the maximum zoom level to 1.2 because that's not my main purpose here. And to start your extremely dim screen brightness function, you just enable the zoom function, and now you can see it's a lot dimmer than I used to. Even I didn't adjust the brightness on the right top corner. So to zoom out, you just use your 3 fingers and double tap, and now you get to use your full screen without zooming, but a filter is applied. So now adjust using the shortcuts dock here. This is the brightest screen you can get in the low light zoom filter, and the lowest that you can see your screen is extremely low. You can barely see it during the daytime. So if you find this clip helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and that will be very much appreciated. Furthermore, you can also check my other videos on iPad tips and tricks, Apple Pencil tips and tricks, and how to adjust your iPhone screen brightness such that it becomes extremely dim like your iPad. So thanks for watching once again.